Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you what you can rent in Baja for 25 bucks a day. Okay, so this is our little hacienda that we are staying in for the next week. And I think it's a pretty sweet deal for 25 bucks. I'm really enjoying the plants everywhere. They're absolutely gorgeous. We have lots of flowers and we have the agave plant there. And it's also just nice to have a gated yard for our little puppy here. He can run around and have a good time. So let me show you the place. Here we have a really beautiful palapa with a sitting area. We had a few days of rain, so it was really nice to have somewhere that you could sit outside and not get wet. And then over here, this is probably my favorite feature. We have our own pool and it is gorgeous, beautiful temperature, and we have loungers. We can just hang out in here all day, even just get away from the heat a little bit. Nice place to be. Lincoln's particularly enjoying the loungers. All right, let's head on inside. All right, we're on the inside and this place is pretty cute, I'd have to say. It's just nice and airy and open. We have 4 different windows that we can open up that are all screened and just lots of nice airflow. We have 3 fans. It's just really just a nice place to hang out. And I really like the decor. I like the bright yellow curtains. I think it just really makes the place nice and bright and cheerful. So over here we have our dining room, and our hosts were gracious to leave us some fruit here when we first got in. And over here we have our water jug, and then over to the kitchen. It's nice to have a few amenities. There is a microwave here, toaster, which I'm not using because we're doing the ketogenic diet, so no bread. And then over here we have a full kitchen, double sink, and lots of storage. I've already moved all my stuff in here. There's a few things that I did bring down to Baja just because I find them hard to find here. For example, like the monk fruit sweetener that I use in a lot of the keto baking, I brought that. But other things are quite easy to find here. We have the almond flour, the nuts, all that can be purchased here in Mexico. All right, then over here we have a little propane stove and oven, and we've definitely been enjoying having this because we've been doing like cauliflower crust pizzas. I'll throw in a clip of that right here. But yeah, that's been really great. And then over here, we've got full fridge. And fun fact, you don't need to refrigerate eggs in Mexico. So that's kind of cool. Full fridge. And yeah, we just hit up a Walmart, so we have it pretty stocked. As you can see, we've got our cheese, meat, sour cream, some cold water, lots of veggies here. It seems like your spinach and your lettuce are a little bit harder to come by here in Baja, so when I see them, I stock right up. And also the same to be said for whipping cream, which you don't find everywhere. I found it at Walmart and Costco, so you can see I have definitely a supply of whipping cream. All right, let's head her on into the living room. Okay, now to the living room, and we have, our hosts have been gracious to leave us quite a few books. I've been reading The Alchemist. I think I'm probably about 15 years behind everybody else that's read this book, but it's a good one. And then we have a really big living room space here. This couch is huge. I'll put me on it for scale. Quite easily fit, for sure, 4 people on it. And yeah, let's go over to here. We have another chair, and we'll head to the bedroom. Now we're in the bedroom, and we have 2 twin beds. so it actually makes up one king-size bed. And just really cutely decorated. All the little paintings, the wall sconce there, and just again, lots of books. I think that's quite nice. We're here for the week, it's nice to do some reading. And the other feature I really like about this place is all the storage, just huge closets. So yeah, you can definitely hang up all your clothes in here. And let's head to the bathroom. All right, here's the bathroom, and it's a huge, huge bathroom. Lots of room in here and a massive shower with a really nice shower head. And we also have around the corner here our sink, and a little area for your toiletries. And then over here, we have the toilet. So yeah, it's pretty sweet setup actually. And I think it's time to hit the pool. So let's go. All right guys, that's it for this time. I just want to do a little update video for some of my loyal subscribers that were asking what I was doing. Please check out my channel. I have lots of awesome keto-friendly recipes on there. All right, we'll see you later.